Hi there, my name is Julie Capp and I usually teach Zumba at the Red Rocks Student Recreation Center. Oftentimes after my class, some participants ask if I could break down the steps of the salsa. And this can be used in other dance fitness formats or out on the salsa floor at the nightclubs. So I hope to make it easy for you. Salsa is a Latin dance that's associated with the same genre of music that originated in the 1960s in New York City. It's a combination of Cuban dances that were popular in Havana in the late 1950s, like the pachanga and the mambo, as well as other American jazz dances. And then styles have progressed since the 50s with Puerto Rican style, Cuban style, and other Caribbean island styles. And in the salsa, the dancer shifts their weight by stepping while the upper body remains level. And the weight shifts cause the hips to move, and the arm and shoulder movements can be incorporated too to make it more interesting. And salsa dancing is done mostly between 160 to 220 beats per minute, so it can get going pretty fast. In the demo you'll see it'll be a much slower salsa to understand the steps. And the tricky part of salsa is that it consists of 3 steps for every 4 beats of music. So the odd number of steps ensures that it'll take 8 beats to loop back to the next sequence. So there's a little tiny pause in there where no movement happens. So that's kind of interesting, and I hope you'll dance with me here, and let's go. All right, so you're going to see a couple things here with our salsa. The most basic step is that side to side step. So there's step side, 1, 2, 3. There's that change, 1, 2, 3. Change of weight. Other side, 2, 3. Yeah. Then you want to get the hips going in kind of a slinky movement. 1, 2, 3. When I took salsa dancing classes in Mexico, the instructor called it 1, 2, 3 crash, and the crash was known as that little pause, and that's where your 2 feet crash together. So that has always stuck in my mind. And then going from side to side, you can also go front and back, and that's kind of easier to feel that little pause in there with that front and back movement. I'm not sure why, but you can feel it more. So you'll step 1, 2, 3, back 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's that pause. Yeah, 2, back 2, 3, and then you'll switch feet. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. In dance fitness, you always have to do combinations with one side and then the other. They never leave one side out. So that could be a difference between salsa in dance fitness and salsa at the nightclub. And then a real fun move that sparks up your salsa is that back step, that rock back. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Yeah. Quick little turn, makes it look like you know what you're doing. Yeah, nice job. And then another final piece for flair could be a turn. So we're gonna take it around. Make sure you take 4 steps. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's go the other way. 2, 3, 4. Woo! I think we're ready to dance. So we're gonna do side to side with both sides leading, front and back with right and left leading. Some back steps. I think 8 counts of those. And then a final turn.